Ready? 1, 2, 3. Are you ready for experiment?
Yay!
Can you take out this? Yeah. Yeah. What is this?
It's kind of volcano.
Can you tell me?
Open.
It's a volcano. What is this?
It's something in the ice.
Something inside. Okay, let me open that.
It's open!
Yeah. What is that?
It's volcano boy.
Okay, let's see. Let's start the volcano eruption, okay? Okay, then first make sure the volcano model is dry. First, we have to make it dry. Okay, we have got this. And inside, oh no. Take this.
So scared.
Why are you scared?
Lava.
No, sit there. Mayuka can make lava. Come on, Mayu, you can do it. This one.
I can your work and there's the purple one on my head. Wait, go.
Go sit there. Let's do this experiment. You can do this. Ready? Are you? Good job.
I want to wait.
Good job. Are you ready for experiment? Yes.
Open up.
This is the water. For water you can use it. Yeah, not first. You have to put the citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. Okay. Then we have to. You can feel this. First, you have to take this. 1 minute. See, this is we got the scoop and also this. Also spoon and something to stir. Yeah. Mayu. You want me to? Okay, it's already open, Mayu.
Please.
I'm going to give first. Take this.
Yeah.
Say sodium bicarbonate. Say.
Sorry, color, scorpion.
Yeah, sodium bicarbonate.
What's pouring?
Yeah. Fully. Okay, now citric acid. Say.
Citric acid.
Citric.
Acid.
Yeah, with the help of this two, we're gonna make volcano.
Volcano.
Okay. Now,
No.
are you ready for magical? Okay. You can do it. Yeah. Take the stirrer. You can do this. Yay! Look at this. It's coming. Look at the foamy thing. It's like a volcano.
Let's see.
You like this?
What? Please more water.
Huh?
Please more water. Please.
No, you need to pour again sodium bicarbonate and citric acid.
What? More water, please.
Okay, I'll put the more water. No, it's not coming now. What happened there?
It's happening. Don't put the scoop in because it hurt this one.
Yeah, look at this.
Wow.
Now again, you wanna make? You like the volcano experiment?
Yes, it's cute.
With the help of what is this? Sodium bicarbonate. What is this? Sodium bicarbonate. And what is this? Citric acid. Say. And water. With the help of these three, we made volcano. With the help of these three, what we made?
Volcano.
Yeah, volcano. Yes, baby girl, you're so smart.